Yeah, we gotta deactivate this thing.
Not too fast. That's it. Savor the flavor.
Oh, excuse me.
You eating that or just looking at it?
Ah, my face!
Don't you see I'm busy?
I'm not a monster!
Yeah, how's a girl supposed to sing with a cursed body bone?
Have fun cleaning up. Just one more fatty feast.
Yeah, go on.
I'm glad to see you haven't lost your tongue.
To stop trying to kill me, because she admires and respects me so much.
Quick.
I win! In your face, Milkin!
I just wish we hadn't filled up on all those kids before we got to the Flanders.
Problem here was,
Bring it on. Buddy.
Oops. Nothing like airplane food, huh? Want to see my scar?
Mine wants out right now.